In front of me is Nubia Neo 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into settings and clicking on connected devices right away. Now select connection preferences, click on printing at the top and tap on default print service. Then just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use a different service, tap on blue switcher at the top. Go back, hit Add Service and download the best one for you. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Then tap on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!